Ka-office jong District Transport Officer is Kasihil District Hagjing Snok Ketilang Bakanat Pulit Katanat Kakwait Kakia Menta Kasngi Kakatsau Terik Rempang Kelapen Kudno Yaga Program National Road Safety Month Arjar Pusau Kapadai Kejing Pesutu Upajba Hargi Kendon Nyakali Nega Motor Vehicle Act Hagan Kasngi Penkut Lawan Masaki Nakakong Rosata Meri Kurba Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasihil District Kum Kakongsan USP Traffic Uke Prasad Kum Musumbut Kongsan Ki Doktor Ki Officer Ki DTO Lembat Ki Wei Ki Balasya Akhwat Sngubha Nalor kata lawan ban Shimenta Nadu Ki Nongnya taksi Ki driver banyak kali sorkar Pakran Kum Kakongsan Kakong Rosata Meri Kurba Ka East Kasihil District Kala Kentu Ki Pajba Newat Iki Nongnya kali Man Shim Kalat Banengkong Maki Day Iarap Ban Penkit Syaki Jaka Ajing Sumar Lada Kilap ne kendu ik Jingjia rengkhat ne accident man chulap met ban sei ki mobile phone ban ringdur lan ne shondur ban pensapriang hakirin san social media.
I pledge that I will pay attention to all safety related matters before driving on the road. I will ensure my own safety and also of all fellows on the road. I will work diligently in a dedicated manner towards it and over it. I will to help individuals affected by accidents on the road and continually contribute to the development of a clean, healthy, and safe road culture. Thank you so much. The importance of the fundamental duties that we are supposed to also give the importance and stress. So therefore today we take this opportunity to talk about both our rights and our duties. And I'm so happy today that Bas Emle has mentioned both. And I just want to reiterate and confirm that we should educate each and every citizen, especially sometimes it's not even the fault of the driver, as has been rightly pointed out by some speakers, that nowadays children, they use the headgears while walking on the street. I wish, that there is some sort of responsibility on the part of the parents who give these gadget to the children, and give them with some kind of tips that when to use them and when not to do so, because sometimes when a child is hit or an adult is hit, or any one of us, it can happen to any one of us, the whole responsibility always goes to the drivers. So therefore, I request both public, whether we are pedestrian or we are passenger or driver, we have to understand where we are, whether we are walking on the street or whether we are sitting on a vehicle. We have to be very much alert. And also, if we see that the driver is speeding, we have to talk to him and tell him that you are speeding and it's not right. Carried away. Sometimes young people are carried away. At sometimes like we all have, as Dr. Robert has mentioned just now, that we all have our mental issues. Not a single person is without a disturbance, without turmoil in their lives. You can't say that we are perfect. He has already pointed out, Basim has already pointed out, I'm not perfect. So none of us are perfect, in fact. We all have something or the other going on in our mind. And for this, we need to be more cautious. Because of this, we need to be more cautious. Therefore, today we take this step that we should Be careful, be cautious. Please be cautious with our lives. Please be cautious with others' life too. And also, remember that there's always somebody waiting for you at home. You know, it's very sad for some parents or for some of those people who have had experiences of accident. No one is prepared for accidents. So we have to take life very cautiously. As also mentioned, that lifestyle needs to be looked into. We do have lifestyle issues right now, be it health, be it the way we take our life forward on a day-to-day basis. Ngidon kam bantai benya elade kurkom im kurkom yai ke jongi kata ne am yaki wei ladang pen kala kumnong in pen bet elade kata dan badan kontrol ya yangi mangihi ngihap ben sngau ya kata keni kade ka jing bakle jonga jongpi kaba ngihap ban sim halade dalade dan bala ban kontrol yangi nak kata daw kani ga ba ni ya pelong kum kini program ni shim ni kani kalat ban pen smut ho pai ba kajing im kalong tang shi sin mo ladang im ni dang la ban ya ban yang ni dang la ban contribute ke society kata kade kajing im baro bangi kwa andre lada jano bangi yo kendo ke accident ni kala ka burden ya ke society kebaning kong ka syong ke kata kalong yeng ke jongi ti kan ni ke ke bangi haban perkhat bah ke wei du ngakwa ban ong ba syubu mentang lada pi ya chrum sene kala jaya ngaru sisen bangadang pressure block po bangawan phai na punosla ngayo i ye wei brio hang te halai me sha hit and run mo kinigi highway kibon hagi cases of hit and run nga request ki pai ba kat kum kaan bala penmi na Supreme Court ba pila ban live ki to gibreo okay ki kat ki good Samaritan please help people lada fi ki baki accident halen pi sengken what ki kumto what ye lam met kashan mobile ban post up Facebook na ban spread the wild like you know pelong viral ya ka the first step kum a responsible citizen kalong ba pin phone ya ka 108 lane lada pidon ka kali please help pila ban save life namar ba lada dang day itu golden hour hapo si kanta dang la ban yarap yaitu ibreo ban penpoi siya po hospital ban yo itu jeng yarap telah delay lanang lose ya kam kasnam jeng itu ibreo telah nang telah nang duna kata ka jingkermen ba in like im tis ngo bha wat tieng yo piong bahap lek siya tukut bayo hap ban hajin hakut kam dan kum kata pila ban si one drop because it has happened to me kalang lajang ngaklam syakot hang no hanuru but snow bha ban ra itu ki ban yo accident hasurong live ki wood ra ikishan hospital nang kata kadi ke request na kaliang ke jonga matagasmi na marangas nga lay ibon bahagi brief stanat ban shim yagi video ban posiki ti kani kam Iarap hi ban ban naman tao tu bala accident kam Iarap do ya ndrei kisulong tang ban yo yathu khana ban yo ban lorni mo ndrei kan ka bang ikwa mangi pede kalong bas ko bhapara ban sim ni dei ban kloy ban Iarap I appeal.
I am thankful to the district transport officers for giving us the opportunity to be part of these programs. At the same time, I am thankful to the ma'am DC for organizing the road safety month in which we have conducted so many awareness programs, and we are thankful to the doctors also, the DMHO, the office of the DMHO, for conducting the free health camp for the drivers. Basically, as we understand the road safety months being observed throughout in India, to create the awareness about the safety on the roads for the drivers and the user itself. What we have experienced that in every year there are thousands of precious lives are lost due to the road accidents, and many of them they sustain the fatal injuries. The reason behind it is the reckless driving, speed, over speeding, and many speakers they have all attributed that the respect. They are not respecting each other rights. They asserting themselves that they are only the one who are paying the road tax, and they only are being allowed to exercise their wills. These are not the rules. In fact, in Meghalaya itself, we have numbers of casualties every year. In Shillong City, last year we have registered 46 cases. 46 cases, out of 46 cases, 40 deaths were reported and 15 persons they sustained grievous injuries. I'm talking about 2024 in the month of January. Only we have registered 6 cases where we have lost 6 lives. And there are 13 grievous injuries. So that way you can imagine that how conscious we are while using the roads. We are always in hurry. We do not pay the importance for others, and we are taking overtaking in the busy markets, whereas possibly he has already given the brief details, and it was a very nice expression where each and everyone should understand. Confronting to each others, it carry no meanings because traffic is generally who are on the road, they are performing their jobs, they are regulating and enforcing the laws. It is one who can make the difference. It is only the drivers. The driver's food seats carry a lot of responsibility. He doesn't carry his own life, but he carry the others also. So that he should understand that while using the roads, they should be careful. They should not understand that it gives a thrill while driving. Driving under the state of intoxication itself is a crime. And as you know, that the fine is amounting to 10,000 rupees. If your driving, if your consumption limit exceed more than 30 mg in per 100 ml plus, you are unable to control as per the MBX. So it should not exceed beyond 30 mg. But I would say that while driving, please don't consume alcohol because you lose your judgment. When you are intoxicated, you do not know what is wrong and what is right. You are under the state of intoxications and you drive and you thrill yourself. That way, you are endangering your life itself and endangering the life of others also. That the other road users are also there. As we have already given the pamphlets, we have distributed the pamphlets. The teenage driving is increasing. That we need to understand that what is their qualification limits because many accidents are being happening due to the teenage driving where they do not understand the rules, but instead they thought that the roads is only for them to use. So that way, Section 199A also we have already emphasized that it is not only the drivers, the teenage persons who is responsible. Yet the parents themselves also are responsible and they may be imprisoned for 6 months in the jail if the teenagers is involved in committing any offense. So that way the message should be spread out. The awareness it should not be limited to the one individual, but I would request to each and everyone who are present here that let us take this message to the all houses, all schools, all colleges where the people they should understand about the road safety, that what is called the road safety. much. I won't take much time because lot have been spoken about the road safety, but there are certain things that I would request that please be disciplined while driving, be respectful to each other, respect each one rights, and always care yourself and to the others. That way we can bring some changes.
Ling ngijulek kan di district. Saru Garhils ne Jingjia na West ngijulek na kausian berpeluang meeting. Banti alakam ne berkomnya akan di government driver. Kata anak kalian ka government assistant milik mangi. Ngiji pulang ka best ngiji pulang ngiji I message ngiji pulang di program. Bakam tam kalau mana kali recently kadang kajinya keren buat ke transport department. Ba ngidang kuat men propose madam na kalian ka Meghalaya government driver well version regarding the drivers day. Nia Meghalaya ngim juraki ka mereka drivers day. Nim juraki ni kuat hiru bagi ada message hakmat PG press hakmat I madam jingi tolong bala ma'am ni request ni jingi tolong bala implement ni drivers day for Meghalaya mesti manlau sem kendang kini di program. This kind of program it should be each and every year along manlau sem every year kan manlau ini program. Nada kadang kata drivers day. Bukan langsung transport department kan lek apa ya kadi. Nah kadi drivers day kadi bulan kam na try kadi kajing accident wa try can reduce ba. Manlau sem min rakhi drivers day dan kam. Recently bang Iwan si positif ngidan bang not isu yes no bang not is option bang for drivers day. Yes no kita di nurse day, doctor day, father and mother's day gipon. Ini yes no for drivers day. Drivers day kam include tang yung taxi le, kam include tang yung tourist le, kam include tang yung banyak government le kan include yo pro habang drivers day. Bro udan bahut pasal lebih ke drivers day, hang tu ang yo ban keren bon ke issue agenda regarding the driving. Takta kali na kalian game julul ban request hakmat I deputy commissioner jingi. Madam, ma'am, tadi kalian ni ma'am request ti tolong bala ikan di mah bahli jadi bana implement ni ma'am tolong tadi tu bakalong ka ba Iarap ma'am sebentar nandak ni safe riding. Kita di minta bangko bang ai na kalian game julul dia ngasko ban pukul no hi wei message bang pukul. Ngasko pukul kani ka road safety slogan ka bangat ho madam idan gumni. Drive slow, go back home, or drive fast, and hell awaits you. And hell awaits you. You can meet every need by maintaining normal speed. If you think you are the best driver, then you better be aware. Rash driving might take away your breath and give you death. Drop down your speed because you are your family needs. Better be alert today so that you can live tomorrow. Last word, kalong facing on safe drive, safe life. Thank you, Rich Boy.